DDT Gaming.
Guys, we're going on the mission. Come on.
Okay, guys, we're going on mission now.
Go. Go.
Go!
Alright,
Go.
hey.
What's the go button?
Yeah.
Go.
What's the go button?
Destroying biomass calls the swarm.
Go.
What's the go and the stop button? Oh, shit.
Oh, Jesus. The stop button is aliens.
What do you need? Medic.
Oh my god, stop. Here we go. Now that we've found the use for voice commands, we're just gonna keep using them the whole time.
Francis.
For swarm parasites. Medics, stay on your toes. I don't want to lose a Marine to infestations.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Matt, stay on your toes. No,
Oh, God,
no infestation.
something- Ah,
Oh yeah,
Burn
do not get infested.
Get back.
Flamethrower takes point on this map.
What the fuck is with the little bugs?
Those things infest you, dude.
parasites.
I thought only the chest burster things did that shit.
Oh, I'm sorry, the flying ones you're talking about?
Yeah, fucking.
Oh, Jesus. Tactical roll. I'm low on ammo.
Fucking flying piece of shit. Follow me.
Like more biomass ahead.
Ow. Shit.
Get a fire.
If they're on fire, don't worry about them. They're gonna blow up.
Ah, fuck me. Go, Rob.
I need you to tech this door.
Hold on. There's a PDA down here.
I need
Rob,
you to hack
yep.
this door.
I'm coming. I'm coming. What door?
The door way up here, dude.
Oh. I thought you were by the door that you
Go,
wanted.
go, go.
No.
Okay, got it.
Watch out. Stay away from the door after you hack it because there's infestation on the other side. Kill whatever's doing that.
Ow. Shit.
Kill this thing. What is going on? Parasites! Parasites!
Ow. Ow.
Don't run away from me! Stop running away from me!
Stop running away from me!
I'm the medic. I'm here to heal you and you're running away from me.
I don't want to be healed. Fuck.
Oh my god. This is why we
Rob?
started on normal.
Rob seems to have eaten shit very early on in this mission.
Got infested. Couldn't help it. You died quick if you get infested. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's why I preface everything with if you get infested, don't panic and run to me. But what did you do? You panicked and you ran away from me.
I thought you were up there.
Look on your mini map, dude.
No, maybe not for the bags.
Bags of dead people. That's what happens, Rob. Alright, follow me.
Am I just dead for good now for this mission?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Look what you've done.
That's what happens when you suck. Stop shooting it. Oh, God.
Ah, fuck me. Oh my god. Oh my god, shit. Need heals.
Kill things. What are you doing? Why aren't you killing things? these tiny things. Oh, that's not
I
working.
fucking hate those things. Just kick him out of the way.
Reload! Cover me! Capture bomb egg.
Bro, follow me. Where are you?
Got it. Where are you?
Shit, I'm infected. Where are you?
Where are you?
Look on your mini map, dude.
Oh no.
I can't. There's like fire and shit in the way, dude.
Dude, I'm right here.
Oh, there you are.
Jesus.
Don't worry, it's okay. I found you.
Yeah, thanks. As I'm infected and getting killed and beaten down by a frickin'... I'm almost out of ammo, so...
Keep pushing forward.
There's a lot of infestation here, so stop taking point.
Alright.
I'm out of ammo now. Drop a kit. Drop a kit.
Alright, 200 rounds left for me.
Conserve your ammo.
Alright.
We're gonna need it for the final part.
And we don't even
Auto
have
gun
it.
ammo here. Sweet.
Awesome, thank
Oh,
you.
and flamethrower ammo. Door's welded shut. We gotta go around.
Fuck.
Fuck, we gotta go around. Oh, here we go. Oh crap, we gotta go all the way around.
What's up with these little larva looking son of bitches?
Just avoid that. Don't shoot that bigger thing. The larva things don't do anything.
Okay.
Alright, get ready for a shit storm.
Right. What's up with the light?
Reload, reload. Doors open, let's go.
Alright.
Nice.
Yay, mission complete.
Mission complete!
You see what happens, Rob, when you run away from your medic?
Freeze them and then you guys hornet barrage them,
I'm
they'll
picking up
explode.
massive kinetic signatures in one of the old maintenance tunnels. Remember, those eggs
So
are
how to use
full of
Hornet
parasites.
Barrage again? That's
Take 'em out
F?
on sight.
Or
Yeah.
or one.
Okay. You say or 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, quit running so fast, bro.
I have to run so fast because if you guys lead, you're gonna get infested. You'll die like a bunch of punks. I could have sworn there was something over here. I guess not.
Gee.
Go, Rob.
All right, we're gonna get a couple, 2 or 3 big guys coming soon, so be careful.
Should I do this?
Do what?
My sentry?
Not yet.
Okay.
There's a chainsaw, but
Wow.
don't
That's a
think
thing in this game. Ow, motherfucker.
all right, they're gonna be coming up here soon. Here they come. There's 4 of them. Holy shit!
Oh my god.
And that's how we do that. Good job, guys.
Alrighty.
Thank God we both took Hornets.
That's a good combo. Freeze grenade hornet.
Punch
Okay,
that
team,
bitch.
we need to seal the tunnel entrance. This will help keep
And if
control
you're an
on your
officer,
back
I
as you
think
move
you
deeper into the colony.
you shoot more rockets per barrage.
Yeah,
Nice.
if you have explosives training.
All right, infestation coming up, so stick behind me and stop shooting me.
No.
All right, well, I know somebody who's not getting healed.
I wasn't even shooting you, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, waiting those out. Oh, Jesus, come on.
Shoot that guy down there.
Ah!
Please kill that guy.
I'm trying. I gotta reload. Oh my god.
There's another one over here. Infestation. That guy's taking a lot of damage.
Yeah, what the fuck? There, he's dead.
About time.
God. Took a shitload of damage. Oh god.
Rifle ammo up here.
I think I found a shortcut for you. I'm detecting a breach in the facility's northwest wall. Move the squad through that breach and regain access to the surface.
Yes, sir.
Secure this area.
You need me.
I think there's more infestation that I needed to kill. Yeah, there's an infestation down here that I missed. Alright, back up. some rifle ammo.
Sweet.
Oh, big one.
Oh, Jesus.
Ow, thank you for shooting the crap out of me.
You're welcome. Oh, another one?
This is a really fucking terrible place to fight this dude.
Somebody shoot him.
Got him. Thanks, Rob. God damn.
Hey, you're the one that moved right into it.
There's more.
Oh, damn it. That's not what I wanted.
Ah, fuck.
The end is right here.
Oh, okay. Shit.
Mission
Thanks for burning me, man.
complete. Stop walking in front of me when I have a freaking high-powered rifle.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm doing work right now.
Hey, hey.
Fucking